Guys, welcome back to another video. This is my second summer vlog, I think. I can't remember. But I have a little road montage. I'm wearing the perfect shirt. We're going to the beach, and we're also birding, so I'm going to vlog it. And yeah, here's the montage for you.
but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. I have made it here. The beach is literally just right over there, and I'm in the middle of nowhere, basically. There are birds everywhere. Yeah, it's basically just the mud flats. And I am just gonna walk out, see what's happening. There's a bunch of shrubs right here. And yeah, in the middle of nowhere, filming, wearing a shirt. As you can see, there's a egret way over there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Sorry for the wind if you can hear it. Yeah. I'm just gonna be vlogging different things. I know I showed you the road montage, but yeah, this is it. A few clouds in the sky, but 360. It's perfect. I'm dizzy now. And I'm with the fam. My father went fishing, and I'm bird watching. But yeah, this is it. What we're doing. Hi guys, so right now we're at this little spot. There's a big old tanker right there. I think that's pretty cool. We're right by these palm trees, and we're just kind of out in the middle of nowhere. We're taking a break. We're at this spot. Of course, I'm the only one out vlogging because nobody else has a vlog camera. I'm gonna walk out here to the water. Hopefully I can walk here. But yeah, there's somebody's house, so I'm not gonna film that. I don't think they want that. There's some boats going by. Yeah. You hear some boats that just went by. There's gonna be some wake and a bunch of other stuff. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Here we go. Here comes the wake. Trash here. Wow, there's a lot of it. Holy crap. Alright, I'm leaving. Well, yeah, this has been it so far. Yeah. My father wants to go fishing. It's kind of this little area. Big old bridge right there. Looks like a good spot to fish. There's a little place up here that I'm gonna try to walk to. Okay, do not do this at home. Yeah. It's like a little platform. Sit up here to fish. Take a good drink of water. Stuff. Yeah, it goes all the way down there. See, this is good footage for my vlog. This is what I'm looking for. This has been a fun day. I think next we're going to go to the beach, which I'm excited about. I'm going to vlog some of that. My dad's going to try to fish, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I got to watch out for rattlesnakes. There are some hidden. They can be hiding in the rocks. I don't want to get bit. That's not what I want on a Friday afternoon. This rocky area that goes down there, and then down there, he's fishing. Alright, I'm going to see what he is going to fish. I'm gonna go talk to him, give him an interview. Ew, dude, there's a dried up fish right here. I know, but there's a dried up fish. It's literally a dead fish. I don't know what kind of fish there is, but look. Oh, poor fish. This looks like a good spot to fish. There's a little ledge over here. It's right next to those poles. 2 boats come in here. There's like a big old wave that hit.
I saw that.
I got it on tape too. Yeah, perfectly clear on tape. Really close to the water. If I drop this, I'd be devastated. Here comes another boat. Just doing this raw. I'm not gonna cut anything, because I want most of it. There's the fish that I was talking about. Little poor fish. It sucks. Yep, here comes the wake. Better move up out of here. Seems like a hurricane's coming through. Here it comes. Ripping down there. God, I hope you can see that. I think I'd be okay if I stand. Watch for snakes. Tyra. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I think I got enough. Got some boats going by. And I got some other stuff. There's pine tree, there's a gull pine tree or palm tree, and then just a stick of palm tree. Guess. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go up to the ledge that I saw. What are you doing? You going up on the ledge? There's a path right here that I walked up. See? There's this little area. There's probably some trout in here. If you catch anything, if you're lucky. Yeah. Here comes another boat. Just gonna make sure it's still recording, because sometimes that happens. Or sometimes the microphone's not on. Just making sure it was on. Yeah, it's on. We're good. These big boats come in here. There's waves, whatever you call it, and they come crashing up. Should be a good area to like film or do a photo shoot or something. Yeah. Shoot, I almost fell. Well, guess I'm gonna go over here and see if I can get the wake of this boat that's gonna come through. There's snakes that hide up in here. Oh, there's a bird. There's grackle. Where was I standing? Yeah, I was standing right here. Sometimes there'd be snakes that hide under these rocks and stuff. Right here, and then they would come through. There's the dead fish again. Probably you guys don't want to see that. But, yeah. You just gotta watch out. That's all. There's 2 boats that are coming by. Next, I think we might go to the beach, and that should be fun. I'm gonna vlog it. Hopefully not get sand in the camera. There's a fishing pole. I guess you could take this. Yeah, I'm not gonna vlog over here. Looks dangerous. Yeah, I'm not gonna film this. I don't want to wait. Anyway, yeah. Next, we're going to the beach. Okay, guys. So I'm right here. I'm walking here, and Oh, shoot. God, I just fell. Oh, shoot. I just fell again. It's an area. That's where we were, just over there. And now we're right here in this area. I stepped in wet sand. This is not good. And I'm bleeding in the knee. These rocks are slippery. Especially. Look at that. It goes up. I'm gonna trip. Cactus. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm going inside. Alright. See you next time. Peace. It's not peace. Peace out. Okay, so here, I wanted to use my phone to vlog. I'm using my phone for the rest of this vlog until we get in the car, because we were on the beach. I didn't want to drop my camera, so sorry for the quality. Hey guys, so it's hard to hear me because it's really windy, but we're by the beach area. There's this cool tree. Hold on, let me flip it. Here's the tree. It's got this. It's really cool. Oh, let me get the roots. Yeah, see, we're by this area. There's a lot of tree trunks. Look at it. It's really cool. Okay, guys, so right now we're in the middle of the ocean. We're sitting on these rocks right here. This is where we're at. It's a tower and stuff. No. We're in the middle of the ocean on a jetty. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, here we are. We're at the beach. It's pretty. See, we're up here. There's a tree. Big old tree. There's the rocks and everything. Yeah. We're at the beach. Alright guys, so we're walking at the end of the pier. Look, we're way out in the ocean. Over here too. So, yeah. It's pretty fun. I don't know what else to say. We're just walking the edge. I'll vlog when I'm at the end. Alright, so that concludes the vlog. I'm really sweaty and red. Hope you've enjoyed. See you next video. Peace out.